Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Discord account to your Steam account. So currently I am going to go into user settings and then I'm going to go into connections. And then once here, I'm going to click on the Steam icon. And now once we clicked on that icon, it will take us to log into Steam here. All right, I'm going to copy username. Let's go ahead and paste that and then fill it with my LastPass. Then I'm going to sign in. All right, then I have to go ahead. All right, then I will go ahead and enter in the code. All right, once that code is logged in, it will allow us to log into it. So I'm going to sign in. And now it's going to connect them, and it has connected those two accounts. So this one took a little bit longer than some other ones to connect because you have to go through multiple steps of verification, which is pretty nice. But that is how you then connect your Steam account to your Discord account. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.